Yo, good morning, everybody. This is your boy Sober to the Rise Magazine on 3 Racing, and I want to give a big shout out to everybody that came out to Dust to Dawn last night. I would say this: Dust to Dawn is really a special event, and networking with individuals there is amazing. I got a chance to talk to some people that I never thought that I'd get a chance to talk to. I also got a chance to talk to some friends that brought their parents out. So shout out to you guys for making that happen, though, man. That lets me know that you guys look at me like part of your family, that you can bring them to this event, that you trust this event enough to bring your parents, your kids, and other loved ones out to this event. We're doing the right thing here in Copper's Cove to bring all of us together, and it's amazing. We're just gonna keep staying focused on doing that, though. That's what makes Dust to Dawn so special and all. And I'm not going to compare my car meets to other car meets because that's just a different thing, different place or whatever, though. But for what we're doing in Dust to Dawn and continually to see the progress, McAllister's management allowing us to do this, the city of Copper's Code, the police department, sheriff's department, state troopers are not writing tickets left and right or whatever. We don't have no accidents. Knock on wood on that. But I just love it, though, guys. So keep it up. Thank you guys so much for coming out, having a great time, rolling out, sounding good and all that, and not causing any trouble at all. So on behalf of my staff, the city of Copper's Cove, and also the management at McAllister's, thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys April 25th on our next one. Peace.
What's up, baby? You good?
Don't believe them. Don't.
Yep.
Think it's a game.
So no matter where you go, you gotta represent your hood.
Everywhere I go, around my everywhere I go, around my real here, you can test my.
Jason, have a good one, man.
All right, take care.
Okay, brother.
All right, see you at the next one.
All right, brother.
Looking good, dog. All right.
Yep. That's gonna start in one.
Here I come. Flow so dope, I got fiends at the door. And hoes don't know, they never seen this before. Cheese and bread like Olive Garden in the bank. Got no limit like I'm a penny with a tank.
All right,
Life
bro.
too good, I don't stress on a bitch. Wanna be the greatest to do it and get rich. Remember when I hit my licks, commit crimes? I don't gotta be in the streets, they been mine. And that's real shit, what I gotta deal with. Sipping on some Hennessy, I'm tripping in concealed clip. Came from the bottom, got some motion, now I'm on top. Shining on the block like I'm living on some eye rocks, damn.
What? It got quiet.
Humming. You guys take care. Yep. All right, Steve. Y'all take care.